Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I am doing an Overherd unboxing. In case you don't know who these guys are, they basically make a powdered oat milk drink, which sounds crazy and kind of weird, but I promise I'm kind of interested, which is why I thought I'd treat myself to the starter kit, and I thought I'd do an unboxing, share my thoughts, do a review, all that kind of thing. Also, if you have heard of Overherd and you want to give it a go, then I have a 15% discount code, which I will put in the description below. Click it, get your 15% off. Why not? Anyway, let's unbox it together. I'll show you what I get. I will tell you how much I spent, and I will also compare the costs to my regular oat milk. So let's get into it. And of course, I'm actually going to make a coffee, so we can try it together. Anyway, let's open up the box and see what I've got. So I was just going to buy a pack of the powdered oat milk. However, I discovered if I bought the starter pack as part of the subscription, I would get some free added extras, and you can cancel at any point. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to subscribe, and if I don't like it, I'll unsubscribe, and then I get my added extras. So this entire bundle cost me £12. However, I have subscribed, and yeah, you know, that is something that you need to know, because, you know, you subscribe, you get more, but at the same time, if you don't want to subscribe, then you won't get these added extras. You'll just get the oat milk powder. So this entire bundle was £12. And first up, we've got the Overherd oat milk powder. Now, this is a powder which literally you mix with water, it turns into oat milk. I know it sounds a bit weird, but when you consider that most oat milks contain things like vegetable oil, this actually seems like a really wholesome idea. And basically this pack makes 8 litres of oat milk, and all this pack contains is gluten-free organic oats, 68%, and then coconut MCT powder, which is a corn fibre, chicory root fibre, calcium carbonate, and vitamin B12. So not only is this oil-free, but it's actually fortified, which is really hard to find, a fortified oil-free oat milk. I know I think about this way too much, but go with me on it. So anyway, for my £12, I got this big pack of the oat milk powder, which will make me 8 litres. And then I also got the scoop, which I guess helps measure it out when I'm making my oat milk. And then I also got this, which is basically like where you can keep your oat milk. And I think you can basically make up a batch and leave it in your fridge in this bottle. So this bottle essentially serves as your milk bottle. And it's a really nice quality thick glass. So yeah, it shows you 1 scoop makes 200 ml, 2 scoops makes 400 ml, and 3 scoops makes 600 ml. So if you don't have much oat milk, you can literally just make the minimum amount, give it a shake and add the water. Or if you have loads of oat milk, you can do the full amount, again, give it a shake, and it makes oat milk. It's bonkers. So I got all of this for £12, but the main event in the box is, of course, the oat milk drink. So this makes 8 litres, and just to give you an idea on price, I paid £12 for all of this, which is essentially 8 litres. And I normally pay around £2.50 for 1 litre. So let me pause and do the maths. Okay, it's early in the morning. I have an art degree. I'm not very good at maths. So normally to buy 8 litres of Plenish, which is my personal favourite because it is oil-free oat milk, this would normally cost me £20 to buy 8 litres of this, whereas this costs me £12, plus I got the extras to make the same quantity, and hopefully there'll be less waste, and it's also more convenient because I can only get this at Waitrose, and this I can just get delivered to my door. So anyway, that is what I got in my box, and now I think the only thing left to do is try it. So there are 2 ways to use this product. Basically, you can put a scoop in, shake it up, make actual oat milk, or you can just add a scoop of this to your coffee, so you get more of like a creamy oat milk coffee. And honestly, I'm kind of tempted to do that. So let's have a look at the directions and see how we make it. So basically I use 1 scoop to make 200 mils, or I use 1 teaspoon to add into my coffee. So I'm literally gonna go make a coffee, add a teaspoon in, see what happens. So come with me. Okay, don't judge me, but I still haven't taken down my Christmas decorations. But let's just ignore that, make the coffee, and then maybe we'll have the energy to do all the Christmas decorations. By the way, don't they look cute? I went wild this year. Anyway, let's make coffee. So here is how I do my coffee. I'm literally just gonna show you so that you know. I do an espresso pod. I fill it up with like 1, maybe 2, and then I add in some honey. There we go. Let's wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so my coffee is made, my Overherd is open. This is what it looks like. It doesn't have a scent, so there's not much to report there. Now I think the only thing left to do is grab a teaspoon. Is that too much? Maybe I should do a smaller teaspoon. I'm literally like, I don't know what I'm doing here. And I'm also doing it with my left hand. So let's take the coffee and give it a stir. Okay, it seems like it's combined really easily without too much effort. So now the only thing left to do is taste it. I've come back in here, so the lighting is better, and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm ready to give it a go. The moment of truth. I'm a little bit nervous. What if I hate it? It's always embarrassing when you're on camera and you hate something. Tastes good. Tastes normal. Yeah, it tastes smooth, it tastes good, it tastes normal, tastes how I would expect, just like regular oat milk. The one thing that's really nice about it is I put in quite a generous amount of oat milk, and by the time I've put in my oat milk, my coffee is quite cold, so I rarely get to have like a fully hot coffee. And the nice thing about this is because you're not putting in a load of liquid, you're not cooling down your drink as much. So it's like, oh, I'm having a hot drink and it's actually hot. Yeah, so it tastes really good. It tastes like regular oat milk. It tastes like really creamy. Yeah, it's really nice. And the really nice thing about it is I get to have like my regular amount of oat milk in without using a steamer or a Aerochino. So less effort basically. And I get to have hot coffee. It's really good. Yeah, I'm sold. I'm sold. I'm gonna switch my oat milk. I'm gonna keep my subscription going because I have already subscribed, and I'll see how many of these I get through every month, every other month. I don't really know, and hopefully it will save me some money, and also it will be easier to find than this, because I really hate it when I haven't been to Waitrose and then I have to buy like an oat milk with oil in, because now I know that there's oat milk and oil. I'm really grossed out by it. This is good. Yeah, it's really good. It just tastes like oat milk. Yeah, that's really good. And also, like, at the bottom, there's no, I don't want to spill my coffee. There's no, like, powdery residue. It's combined really well. That's really good. I'm sold. Anyway, if you want to try it, I have a 15% discount code. And yeah, I'm really impressed. I'm going to keep up my subscription. This is great. Anyway, if you're looking for an oat milk option, which is less effort than going to Waitrose all the time, and no oil and still fortified, I would recommend. I haven't mixed it yet with water. I've just used it as a coffee creamer, which might be, to be honest, how I use it most. But yeah, it's really good. I'm really impressed. I really like it. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, I like this. Anyway, I'm a fan. I'll give you a check-in in a few weeks if you want to know, but I'm going to keep my subscription up, and I think this is really amazing. I'll work my way through the rest of my Plenish, because I think I've got that one, and I've got another one, maybe 2 in the cupboard. But after that, I'm going to make the full switch, because this is easier. It's nice having a fully hot coffee, and I just don't taste the difference. It's really good. Anyway, my 15% discount code is below. Enjoy. I'm really impressed. Goodbye.